बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूं प्रोफेसर असद और आपसे एकेडमिक गाइडेंस के प्लेटफॉर्म से मुखातिब हूं। डियर व्यूअर्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स, हमारा आज का टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन लर्निंग है। इसमें हम देखेंगे कि व्हाट इज लर्निंग एंड हाउ डिफरेंट साइकोलॉजिस्ट एंड एजुकेशनिस्ट डिफाइन लर्निंग अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर ओन पर्सपेक्टिव। सो ये सब कुछ जानने के लिए यू आर एडवाइज टू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड। फर्दर अगर आपने इस चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो काइंडली सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए ताकि दूसरे लोग भी इससे इस्तेफादा हासिल कर सके। तो जहां तक लर्निंग की डेफिनेशन का तल्लुक है, इन सिंपल वर्ड्स, पॉजिटिव चेंज इन बिहेवियर ऑफ एनी इंडिविजुअल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सर्टन एक्सपीरियंसेस is called learning. Learning is long lasting when it is acquired through the interaction with other people. For example, teacher within the classroom interact with the students, or students interact with each other, so they learn from the experiences of each other. As per Encyclopedia of Education, learning is relatively permanent change in a person's knowledge, behavior, skills, attitude due to experience. In this definition, there are three major components. First one is duration of change is long term rather than short term. The locus of the change is the content and structure of knowledge in memory or the behavior of the learner. And third one, the cause of the change is the learner experience in the environment rather than the fatigue, motivation, drugs, physical condition or physiological intervention. Further, we can define learning as the transformation process of taking information that when intellectualized and mixed with what we do. It's based on input process and reflection. It is what changes us. Another expert define learning a process that leads to change which occurs as a result of experience and increase the potential of improved performance and future learning. Likely, the process of gaining knowledge and expertise is also called learning. Learning involves strengthening correct responses and weakening incorrect responses. Learning involves adding new information in the memory of the individual and also making sense of the presented material by attending to relevant information, mentally recognizing it and connecting it with your already existing knowledge. In the same way, a persisting change in human performance or performance potential must come about as a result of the learner experience and interaction with the world. In the same way, another expert define learning is a process that occurs within nebulous environment of shifting core elements, not entirely under the control of the individual. As per another expert, learning is a process that occurs within nebulous environment of shifting core elements, not entirely under the control of the individuals. Learning, as we define, is a actionable knowledge can reside outside of ourselves within an organization or a database, is focused on connecting specialized information sets and the connection that enable us to learn more and more important than our current state of knowing. So dear viewer and students, in short, a positive and long-lasting change in the behavior of an individual on the basis of certain experience is called learning. उम्मीद है आज की वीडियो आपको इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगेगी और लर्निंग की डेफिनेशन आपको पसंद आएगी। कमेंट्स बॉक्स में कमेंट्स करके अपनी राय से जरूर आगाह कीजिएगा। आज तक के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह ताला हम सब के लिए आसानियां पैदा करे। आमीन सुम आमीन। अल्लाह हाफिज।